Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on Freelancing Roadmap 2025. Guys, do you know that freelancing actually provides an opportunity to control your work life? And as a freelancer, you have the flexibility to work from any location and at any time. You get to create your own schedule, set your hours, and choose the projects you work on. These benefits make freelancing an attractive option. Whether you choose to do it part-time or as a side hustle or as a full-time career, it has many perks. Many businesses now rely on freelancers as a part of their operation. According to a report by Upwork, there is a saying that 48% of the CEOs are actually planning to hire freelancers in the next 12 months. Now, you could see that freelancers are actually getting in demand. So guys, watch this video till the end if you want to know what can be a roadmap to become a successful freelancer in 2025. But before we move on, just a quick info guys. Simplilearn has got postgraduate program in digital marketing in collaboration with Purdue University. You can become a certified digital marketer with the help of this digital marketing training program. You're going to learn to create and promote your own website via live interactive learning. You will master basic and advanced digital marketing skills via student simulation, 10 plus case studies and 20 plus projects. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. So guys, freelancing actually allows you to be your own boss and take control of your career. Now you'll be wondering how freelancing can be very much beneficial for you. So actually working remotely and setting your hours can actually improve your work-life balance. You can start freelancing as a side job to earn extra money and gain experience, or also you can turn it into a full-time career option. So guys, no matter what your approach is, I have got 9 steps below which is going to help you to find your roadmap to become freelancer in 2025. So let us start with one. But before that, let us discuss with what are the benefits of becoming a freelancer. So guys, the first benefit is flexibility in work schedule. As a freelancer, you can set your own working hours. You can work when you are most productive, whether it's early morning or late night. And you can adjust your schedule based on personal preferences. The next one is choice of projects. Freelancers have the freedom to choose the projects they want to work on. You can select jobs that align with your interests and expertise, allowing you to focus on areas you are passionate about. And finally, you can control the work overload. You have the ability to control how much work you take on. You can decide to work more when you have the capacity or to take breaks whenever you want it to maintain a better work-life balance. Also, there are some other benefits like you can have an opportunity for remote work. Like this freelancing can give you work from home. You can work from anywhere. Okay, you can work from cafe or you can work while traveling. So you have the freedom to choose your workspace. You can also build a personal brand. As a freelancer, you can position yourself as an expert in your field. So by consistently delivering quality work, you can gain positive client reviews. And also you can establish strong personal brand. And finally, this one, you're going to like it. There is no office politics. Freelancers work directly with the clients, so without the usual office politics that comes with the traditional jobs. You can focus on your work without dealing with workplace drama. Now let us move ahead and discuss about the roadmap to become freelancer in 2025. So guys, the first step is define your service and offering. The first step in becoming a freelancer is turning your skills into a service. Think about what you are good at and then check platforms like Talent Marketplace to check what jobs are available, or you can go to various other platforms which we'll discuss at the end of this session. So guys, I'll tell you a story about myself. So I was also looking for a freelance opportunity last year and I went to this platform called Upwork, so where I demonstrated my skills through a portfolio samples. So basically I started with infographics, okay, and I looked at Upwork and I saw many projects who were needing an infographic design. So I made 3 infographics for my portfolio and began applying for those projects. So actually this helped me to build up a portfolio and also get a client. So this is how you have to identify your skills, market them effectively, and think about how your skills can help potential clients. Understand the problems first and how your services can solve them. Remember, clients need solution to a problem. And to be successful, you must understand the client's needs and explain how your services can address their issues. For this, you can create a brief description about your freelance service that is going to help you to sell it to the businesses. Focus on explaining what you do, how you do it, and the types of client you can help. Don't worry about the price yet, that just comes later. The next step would be find your target audience. Now, once you know your service, you'll need to find the right audience. Identify the type of clients who need your services. Do they have shared problem or belong to specific industry? Being skilled isn't enough to get clients automatically. You need to position yourself where potential clients can find you. Most freelancers actually acquire clients in three ways. First, they participate in freelance job posting platforms. They leverage networking and existing connection, and they use marketing and advertising and also outreaching. So you can go to various platforms and you can find the clients. Like I told you about my story about Upwork. So you can go to that platform, and there are numerous other platforms also where you will be able to find the clients. So clients actually actively post available projects. So you can search for the jobs which matches your skill. Now, this step is very crucial. Developing a price structure. Now, once you know your service and target market, it will be a time for you to set your price. Your goal is to get paid fairly without turning away potential jobs. Start by checking what your competitors are charging for similar services. Now, pricing your services doesn't have a perfect formula. Many factors can influence what clients are willing to pay. For example, like experience, skill demand, what kind of industry it is, the project length, deliverables, complexity, client location, and urgency. Now, you can go to a given platform and you can set your hourly charge, like how much you want to get paid. And it is also flexible. That will be depending on the project you will be working. And you can also create specialized profiles with different rates for a specific sale. And in this way, you can set your pricing. Now, don't let pricing hold you back from starting. Your rates aren't permanent. You can change them as you gain experience. The next step is building a strong portfolio. So guys, a strong portfolio is essential for proving your work abilities. It showcases your best work and demonstrates your values to the client. It's your chance to show rather than to tell clients what you can do. Now, I know expert graphic designer. So I'll share her given insights like how she actually started in a freelancing platform. So she created few personal projects first, and then she added to the portfolio. She was making designs for certain companies. So initially, she put that thing. Okay, she also did post her work like for the company she was working in, and she put that portfolio. Now it actually attracted one of the clients, and she got that project. So that's how portfolio is very much important. So it is both for creative and technical services. So your portfolio should feature impressive projects actually related to your services. That should be the goal of your building a portfolio. And each piece should demonstrate what you contributed and how the project benefited the client. Now, a strong portfolio could include case studies, testimonials, data-driven results, images, charts, work samples, mock-ups. It could be anything. So guys, this is a very important point. Now, the fifth one is write great proposals. Now, once you find a project that matches your skills, write a proposal. A strong proposal can make or break your chances of getting hired. It's important to have a proposal template that you can customize for each job. So guys, taking extra time to personalize, it shows your professionalism and enthusiasm. Your proposal should explain why you are the right person for the job, highlight your relevant skill, and show up your qualification. If you are confident in your abilities, you can boost your proposals to increase its chances of being seen by the client. The next step is building a relationship with your client. Your clients are crucial to your businesses. Successful freelancers build strong and long-term relationships with clients, which leads to repeat work and referrals. So guys, in order to build relationship with clients, you need to do excellent work and provide value. You need to communicate effectively. You need to be consistent with deadlines and deliverables. And you need to look for opportunities to offer more value and show initiative. Now, the next step is keep developing your skills. To stay competitive, you need to constantly improve your skills. Stay updated on the industry trends. You can use online resources like YouTube tutorials and LinkedIn Learning. And also guys, I'll show you one more thing. You can also use Simplilearn's free online courses. There are a number of courses on Skill Up program. So here you can learn a lot of skill and you can get a free certificate from here. So this is an amazing platform. You should definitely check it out. Now, the next step is network with other freelancers. Networking with fellow freelancers can provide job opportunities and it is very helpful advice. It is a great way to learn from others and refer clients to one another. This is very amazing, guys. You should definitely work on this. And finally, you need to work on finding new clients. So keep building your freelance business, meaning you have to regularly look for new clients. Not all clients will work with you long term, but consistently searching for new opportunities is key to growing your business. When starting, you may need to lower your rates or spend more time writing proposals, but as you build your portfolio and gain reviews, clients will come. So guys, this is how you can work on this one. This is a perfect roadmap for you, how you can start doing freelancing. Now, let us discuss some of the popular freelance jobs. So the first one is you can become a web developer or designer, then you can become graphic designer, you can go for content writer, you can go for digital marketer, and finally, you can also try for social media manager. These are the amazing roles, and based on the requirement of the project, there are different kind of payment options for this. I'll show you these roles on a platform called Upwork, where you will see how much they are getting paid. The next job you could look for is virtual assistant. So basically, these provide administrative support, including like scheduling appointments, managing emails, data entry, customer service. Next is video editor. So basically, you have to do video editing. Then you could also go for transcriptionist. So these are the freelancers who convert audio or video recordings into written documents. This is also very much in demand. Then photography is very much, okay. If you become a successful photographer and you have very amazing portfolio, definitely it's a great pay. And online tutor or instructor, very much in demand, guys. So these are some of the popular freelancer jobs you can try for. Definitely there are many more. So you can try to look for different kind of jobs present on a given platform. Now let us discuss some of the top platforms you could look out for. Like Upwork is there, very amazing. You can look for TopTool, you can look for Fiverr, you can also look for Design Hill, very amazing platform, guys. And there is LinkedIn also, you can try finding your clients from here. Then Simply Hired and Dribble. So these were some of the amazing top platforms for freelancers. And I hope so. You can explore these platforms. Just go on the Google and type the given company name. Suppose if you want to go for Simply Hired, suppose you want to go to search for Simply Hired, just click all over here and you could see it's a job search engine. And similarly, you can explore these websites to find the job. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's video on Freelancer Roadmap for 2025.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.